Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here, scroll down below and tap on pages. Here you can see all your pages. You need to open the page on which you want to make someone an admin. Here tap on switch. Now here tap on these three lines again. And here tap on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on settings. In settings, tap on page settings. You need to scroll down below and tap on under the new pages experience, tap on page access. Here in front of people with Facebook access, tap on add new, and here tap on next. Here you need to search for the profile of that person. Here you need to select this option and then you need to tap on give access. Here you need to enter a profile password. After that person will receive a notification that you have requested them to become a page admin, and if they accept, they will become an admin of your page.